everywhere neat. Hey, what? Ha! Nick don't become better husband. He said this guy they do like this before. I'm not for worry now. Eh? I'm not for worry. Ha! So that's everywhere neat. I don't know. This are everywhere they quiet. Where is it? Nick! Nick! That means in the kitchen. I will check wetin dey do. Guys, Nick dey kitchen and I believe say he's trying to tidy everywhere. You can go meet am. Make I help am, you understand? Because no be only man supposed to do everything within her house. The guy has been trying though, so let's go together.
Get us.
Hey, what?
You married, man.
What's up?
Fine girl.
How far?
You know, you don't recall.
My dear, don't wake up. What did they do? I don't try now. It's okay. Don't try. Don't try.
Hold on.
No.
No, now, wait. For this house, I don't want you to do anything.
Ha.
Do you understand?
I don't become Oyibo. I be waiting.
No, but I meant to take you. You get Pele now. I don't want you to stress that baby. Do you hear me? I don't want you to stress yourself. I want you to stress the baby at all. Because I won't tell you all this why, eh? Even though now another man give you this belly, once you born this speaking could be my pikin. You understand? I will take full responsibility. I will take care of this child as if he or she is my child.
Are you for it?
I'm for real, I'm not joking now. I'm a joke. I'm before people a joke.
Thank you so much.
No. It's okay, alright?
Thank you.
Just go and relax yourself. Once I'm done, now that you remain, I don't clean every other place. Once I don't throw here, I'll prepare breakfast, then I'll call you. Okay?
Okay, but let me just help you.
No, I say no. Don't worry, today I don't want to do everything, right?
Are you
just
sure?
go relax. You're not supposed to stress yourself. Yeah? Go and relax. Okay, I'll take it. I'm almost done now. In the next 5 minutes, I should be done, okay? Alright.
Well done, yeah?
Don't worry, I hear you.
God bless you for me.
God bless you too. Alright, go take it. Go relax. Should I make juice for you?
Yes.
Apple or pineapple?
No, apple is okay.
Apple is okay. Alright, let me hurry up with this one. I'll bring juice for you now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, dear.